Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Poisson distribution. Binomial distribution cannot be applied where n cannot be estimated. In such cases, Poisson distribution is applicable. Poisson distribution is defined by the probability function. Fx is equal to e to the power minus m into m to the power x by x factorial, or x, that is number of successes, which may be 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. So by putting the value of x, we get for each number of successes, the table shows the value for each number of successes. The total probability must be unity. If the value of the parameter is known, the distribution is completely known. The value of m generally lies between 0.1 and 10. Properties of Poisson distribution. Discrete distribution. Like binomial distribution, it is also a discrete probability distribution, that is, occurrences can be described by a random variable. Mean parameter. The main parameter is mean m, which is equal to np, that is, n is equal to np. Form: it is a positively skewed distribution. Assumption of Poisson distribution. The occurrences of events are independent. That is, the occurrence of an event is an interval of time or space does not affect the probability of a second occurrence of the event in the same or any other interval. The probability of a single occurrence of the event in a given interval is proportional to the length of the interval. The probability of occurrence of more than one event in a very small interval is negligible. Examples of Poisson distribution. The number of telephone calls received at a particular switchboard per minute during a certain hour of the day. The number of deaths per day in a district or town in 1 year by a disease. The number of cars passing a certain point per minute. The number of persons born deaf and dumb per year in a city. The number of typographical errors per page. The number of printing errors per page. The number of defective blades in a pack, etc. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.